Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Holland or Madam AF Rancier. So today I wanted to do a part one of Get to Know Me. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and if I just, kept kind of putting it off, I didn't know if I needed to wear makeup or have my hair done or have this fabulous background to do it. And the longer I overthink it, um, then I keep putting it off. So I just wanted to take a little bit of time to do that. And Holly is asleep right now, so this is perfect. Um, Perfect. And that's why I'm whispering too. It's because I don't want to wake her up. But I just wanted to do a little get to know me. So again, my name is Holland Elizabeth Rancier. Rancier is my married name. I'm married to Alex. My maiden name is Moore LaCour. I am from Los Angeles, California, the San Fernando Valley. I am a Valley girl. I went to Granada Hills High School. I'm currently living in Georgetown, Texas. I went to Houston Tillotson University. That is where I met my husband. I majored in sociology, and I also have a license in cosmetology. I'm a hairstylist. I'm also a member of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated. I am a mother of three. I have a 5-year-old, a 2.5-year-old, and a 9-month-old. That is Alex, Joey, and Holland. Yes, my daughter is named after me, just like my oldest son is named after my husband, and my middle son is named after my brother. So as you can tell, we like family names in this household. My birthday is in October. I'm a Scorpio. My birthday is the day before Halloween. I am 33 years old, I believe. My favorite color is purple and rose gold. I'm obsessed with rose gold right now. I enjoy cooking. I love a good recipe. I love to follow recipes. But I really enjoy cooking, and I enjoy cooking for other people, like hosting and stuff. I enjoy that. I love tea parties and tea in general. I'm a big tea head. I love tea. And I'm not talking about gossip. I'm talking about tea. And coffee. I love coffee. I love to do hair. I love making wigs. I love doing braids. These things that I love to do require time, but I'm also a stay-at-home mom with all 3 kids, and so I don't really get a whole lot of self time. So I have to be picky about what it is that I want to do, when I do have some me time. Like I see those memes about, oh, my baby fell asleep. Should I go to sleep or take a shower or eat, and it's like, that is like real life. I enjoy gardening and planting. I love my house plants and my gardens. I love to, propagate and pick a leaf and put it in water and see it sprout. And I love to tend to my lavender and my roses. I really get a kick out of buying plants that are like on clearance at the grocery store, and they're like kind of dying, and putting them in and bringing them back to life. It's really cool to me. I enjoy reading. I'm a big fan of Stephen King and Anne Rice. Like scary books, thriller books has always been like my thing. Haven't had a chance to really read as much as I used to at all, because of the kids. I've been a stay-at-home mom for about almost 3 years now. Ever since I had my second kid, that's when I became a stay-at-home mom, and it's been a great experience. Very, grateful for it. Feel blessed. It's had its ups and downs and trying moments, and probably one of the biggest things that I've learned from being a stay-at-home mom, is that it seems that I would get the most anxiety when I would be trying to do something while, one of the kids are like crying or upset or were needing me, and I would kind of try to rush what it was that I was trying to do so I could get back to them. But it just, them needing me would remind me that I needed to sit down, and breathe and just, focus on them. Use this time to focus on them, because the kids really do grow up fast. Like, the time goes by, and then it's like they don't need you anymore, or as much anyway. It's so crazy seeing my 5-year-old and how independent he is. Even my 2.5-year-old, even my 9-month, she's already trying to walk. It's like crazy to me. But it has been a blessing for sure. And, I was grateful for daycare when I was working, but that'll probably be a whole different blog for you guys. If y'all have any questions about what it's like to be a stay-at-home mom, or the day in the life of a stay-at-home mom. Me and my husband recently started a business back in March, Curly Boo, and we launched the website on Mother's Day. We sell satin hair care. Right now, it's bonnets, satin bonnets for adults and kids, mommy and me matching bonnets. And we launched on Mother's Day, and the bonnets sold out, and that has been such a blessing. We never could imagine or expected for that to go down like it did, and we're in the process of restocking and learning what we need to have in place to meet the demand. But it was just such a blessing to feel all the love and support from all my friends and family, and even strangers, like your internet besties. Let's see, am I leaving out anything? There's probably all kind of stuff I'm leaving out. My mind is like all over the place. I probably should have made like a note card with like some notes. But as far as my videos go, I really am just wanting to put content out there, for other people to see it, and hopefully they'll be inspired, to be the best version of themselves, and to learn something that they wanted to learn. And just I want to be a resource for others, and inspiration and encouragement to other people to, if you have an idea, or if there's something that you want to do, to just start somewhere. Like, I am by no means a video editor at all. I use an app on my phone, and even then I do not get fancy with it. You're not gonna see all this flashy stuff, at least not right now, because I ain't got it. But at first it was holding me back from starting, and posting, because I was like, oh, I need this, I need that, I need lighting, whatever. But I decided that I don't need that, and it's really just you start somewhere. And me and my sisters-in-law, we've been encouraging each other to post and make the videos and take the time. And so that's what we've been doing, and so far it's been pretty cool. Is there anything else? That's why I said this would be a part 1, because I'm sure I'll think of some other things to share with y'all. Maybe I'll do one about the joys of marriage. Me and my husband have been married since 2012. We've been together since we were 18 and 19. We met in college, so I'll probably have some words of wisdom for y'all on married life and motherhood, parenthood, and just how to be the best version of yourself. But I could also use some advice on things too, because I'm not an expert. I'm not perfect. I am definitely human. But I'm gonna keep this video short. But thank you for tuning in. Follow me on Instagram if you want. My name is Madam A.F. Francier, or you can follow the Curly Boo. That's our business Instagram page. And just a fun tip: my name, Madam A.F. Francier, is a homage to Madam C.J. Walker. So So my husband is Alex Felipe Rancier. So just Madam A.F. Rancier. So that's what that is. That's what that means. But my actual name is Holland, like the country. I have been saying like the country my whole life because people seem to not understand me when I say Holland on the phone, even in person. But I love my name, and that is why I named my daughter. We named my daughter after me and her grandmother's. So thank you for tuning in. Feel free to, hit me up with any questions or, suggestions, comments of anything you'd like to see, any hair tutorials or makeup that you'd like me to try, recipes, if there's any kind of recipes you'd like for me to post or to see me try, any questions about planting or suggestions about planting. Yeah, I'm taking suggestions. Also, if anybody has any advice on how to get your 5-year-old son to eat, because all he does is snack, I would love suggestions on that too. The majority of my content you'll probably see will be about natural hair care and styles on how to do that, and homemaking and marriage and kids, cooking. I'm hoping to be able to do some stuff on how to plant and gardening and even business. It'd be really cool if I could, do some business videos for y'all so that y'all can see how things are from a beginner's standpoint, because I am a beginner, literally. But yeah, I'm taking suggestions if there's anything that you would like to see. But thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share to my channel. And I will chat or talk at y'all later.